So let's unbox and take a first look at this new Nike sports loop that I bought. This is probably the only one on the Apple website that I saw out of the new straps that really jumped out at me. It's the bright green and blue Nike sports loop for the Apple Watch 45mm, and these straps are produced using excess material to help reduce waste as well, so we're helping the environment as well with this. I mean, it looks really nice. It looks very bright, and that's the kind of style that I want to go for. I've been wanting to get a new strap for my Apple Watch Ultra, which I've been using the Alpine loop for, since I had it over a year now, and yeah, it's getting a bit grubby. I wanted to freshen things up, and this is what I went for. So let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, we get the watch strap, and we get that. It's supposed to be used with the new Nike Globe watch face as well, but I've gone for the new, I've got the Ultra, I'm using it with the Ultra, so I've got the new Ultra modular one, which is fantastic, featuring the new auto night mode. Loving that at the moment. So this is the watch strap. Looks very nice actually on the overhead, very pretty. Gone for a Nike strap this time. Okay, the typically good strong Velcro, which I've been impressed with on the other sort of trail loops and stuff. The only difference between this and the trail loop, which is £99 and this is sort of £49, is with the trail loop you do get metal attachments, and these on the Nike ones are plastic. And to be honest, build quality wise, the material wise, and everything else wise, feel wise, they're pretty much the same as the trail loop, but you don't get the metal attachments for the Apple Watch Ultra. So let's get this on the watch. I'm going to take my Alpine loop off for a little bit. This thing has served me well. While I do like this and it is very comfortable, and you do get the metal attachments, it's just got very, very dirty, especially the orange, and the colour has sort of worn off in the middle bit there. I might sort of grab one of the new colours as a new obsidian colour, I think, for the Apple Watch with the Apple Watch Ultra and the trail loop. So I mean, look at that, grubby or what, man? So which way we're going to go with this? That's going to go on the top, I presume. That on the bottom. Already liking the colours. Let's try it on. Yes, loving it. Okay, I like the little fact you got the Nike logo there as well. Feels comfortable, feels very nice on the hands. I'm liking that, and it looks very cool. This is the only one, like I said, out of all the new watch straps, which really jumped out to me on the website as if I wanted to buy that. There was a couple of the new ones. I looked at the new speckled ones, the new sports loop with the speckle in the rubber. It does look nice. And yeah, I'm liking this. This is going to be my new watch strap. I fear that the green might get dirty over time, but yeah, still looks good. It's got this sort of little stitching line here with the wiggles, which is new for this year on the Nike straps. I do like that as well. But it's a very nice looking strap. So if you're looking to grab one for your Apple Watch, whether it's the Series 9 or the Apple Watch Ultra, I haven't gone for the Apple Watch Ultra 2 this year because the lack of the improvement of the battery life, I was really disappointed. I wanted to buy that, but because the battery life is no better, there's no real need for me to upgrade. I'm going to wait till next year to see what they do with the battery life, and hopefully they improve it by a few days, and then we'll get the Apple Watch Ultra 3. But the Apple Watch Ultra original has served me well. The design is exactly the same as the new model this year. It's just got a new chip inside and a little bit of a brighter screen, but I've not found myself needed a brighter screen, in all honesty. I think it's fantastic. And the fact that it's titanium and ceramic, it's going to last me a few years anyway if I don't want to upgrade next year as well. So loving this new strap, new Nike strap, bright green and blue, fully recommend it. Okay guys, stay tuned, subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. That's it for this one. See you on the next one. Bye.